Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to install a remote start on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma with the regular key, not a push start. And I use a Evo One for the installation. And this video I'm going to show you how to program it and how to do the installation without a T-harness. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Okay, what I'm doing right now, I'm trying to change the firmware on my Evo One, which is this, and so I can install it on my Toyota Tacoma, which is right here. I already put the information right around here. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna download the firmware, which is this. So you click confirm, and right now it's gonna start downloading. It's gonna take a while. I already downloaded the software, and I'm gonna follow the instructions that I found on the website, and it says over here, right around here, that you have to turn on these features right here. Okay, so right now this is what I'm gonna do. So you have to go to C1 and make sure it's on. Okay, let's see. Okay, C1 right here is on, and you have to go to D5. So you have to turn this one on right here. All right, and this is it for the software installation to the Evo One. Okay, remember this is only for the H key. Okay, let's start with the installation. These are all the tools that I'm going to be using right now. A drill, screwdriver, crimper, 10mm sucker, Phillips screwdriver, and some quick connects, and obviously the installation guide for Toyota Tacoma H key 2017. This is the flash link to flash this, the Evo One, and all right. Okay, now I'm going to be looking for this color wires. Okay. This one right here is this. Okay. Now we gotta disconnect this one. And we're gonna disconnect this one too. This is for the TPMS. Okay, I already finished the installation, so now I'm going to program it. This is what I did right here. Over here I welded because these connectors are too thin for these wires, so I use liquid tape right here, right over here. I'm going to program it now, but I only have one hand available, so I'm gonna skip the process of connecting this one and holding this. All right. Okay. Now I'm gonna plug all of this. I'm sorry, because I'm doing it with one hand. But I'm going to show you how it looks after I plug it out. Alright. Now, when you get this blue and red, then you press this button right here 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's gonna flash red and blue, and I'll put the kit in ignition to the on position, and I'm gonna come over here. You're gonna see that when the blue start flashing, and you can release or remove the kit. Now it's already programmed, and we're gonna do this. 1, 2, and 3. You see the lights over there? Beautiful. It's already done. And remember, it is locked. It is locked. You can open it, and you do this. Ready. And okay, radio is on. Okay, this is the final installation. This is the Evo right here, and this right here is how I end up installing it. Okay.